In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Airtable. We'll walk through setting up a simple time tracking workflow, starting from an existing base, adding an extension, and then actually starting and stopping a timer so your hours are logged automatically. First, open your Airtable workspace and go into the base you'll be using for time tracking. In this example, it's an imported table, but it can be any base where you're managing tasks or projects. Make sure you're in the right table and view where you want the time data to live. Next, find the date field in your table and click on its column header. This opens the field configuration. From the small menu that appears, click on the option to edit the field. Here, you can confirm that this column is set up as a date field. If needed, choose the date type again, so Airtable knows this column is storing dates. Then confirm your settings and click Save. Having a properly configured date field is important for accurate time records and reporting later. Now we're going to add the extension that will handle time tracking. At the top right of your Airtable interface, click on Tools. In the panel that opens, choose the option to extend the functionality of your base. This is where all extensions live. Click on Add an extension. In the extension search bar, start typing the name of the time tracking extension. When you see it appear in the results, click Add to install it into your base. Once the extension panel appears, you'll need to configure it. First, click where it says Pick a table and choose the table that contains the records you want to track time against, such as your main tasks or projects table. Then, click on Pick a field and select the hours field or whichever numeric field you're using to store the total time tracked. This is where the extension will write the accumulated hours. You may see other optional dropdowns, like filters or grouping. If you don't need them, you can leave them as none. When everything looks correct, click Done to finish the setup. Now you're ready to track time. In the extension panel, click Start Tracking. The extension will begin counting time for the selected record and logging it into your hours field. When you're finished working on that task, click Close to hide the configuration and then click Stop Tracking. The time you just tracked is now saved in your table. From here, you can reopen the extension at any time, click into it again, and repeat the process whenever you need to start or stop tracking time on your Airtable records.